Time to make juice with whatever I find in the fridge. And I mean with the fruits, of course. So yeah, we have some mangoes. These are some strawberries. Yeah, we keep the onions with fruits, please. Don't sacrifice or kill us, I mean. Next compartment, we have, so I feel like we are going to have to do a mix of the carrots as well. The first vegetable in our juice. Some grapes that were clearly in the archives. Ooh, blueberries. Normally I would have put pears, but I really don't want to do that, so we're not going to do that. Even more grapes. I want to use the apples, but I feel like they're best eaten. So, yeah. Wash time. Like selected an empty sink for that. Yep. So I feel like for reasons best known to human health, we can't really use the grapes or the strawberries, because let's get that right. Ooh, well, at least not all is lost. We still have like a couple more branches. Well, vines, branches. Yeah. You get the point. Now for the plucking and sorting. This is gonna take a while. Okay, so even this batch is for the trash. That's alright, we still got 3 more sets. These are sorted by nature, so I won't waste like any time. It's like a mini pool of grapes. Yay. We're gonna just toss in all the blueberries. And the mangoes. Bring into the carrots. Normally I would peel these, but I'm lazy. Decided to peel them anyway, because yay, we're literally almost done. Okay, this is just weird. Looks like we're done. Well, apart from that, because I never really knew what to do with it, because like, look. Now for the whole mango peeling process. Put this away, and we could start on the mango. Okay. I wanted a perfect slice. We're done with the mango slices. And I feel like I should have cut the carrot into pieces, but eh. Here's to a close-up. Oh, it's made like a juice rainbow. I almost don't wanna, destroy it. As we know, all good things come to an end. I literally didn't know which amount of sugar to put, so I just got the spoon. So it got a little messy as I was like mixing things, but yeah, we'll be fine. Now I can settle down knowing I have a delicious supper with protein and vitamins.